Hey Noah, is that a good tomato? Do you like it? Sure, eating a lot of it. Can Mommy have a tomato? Can Mommy have a bite?
Oh, it will.
Is it good? Mommy get some? Oh, you tricked me. Mommy get some? Thank you. Mmm. It's yummy. You want more? Do you like tomatoes? Thank you. Can we put the rest in the salad? I'm going to put the rest in the salad. Bubby. Noah, I'm going to put the rest in the salad. You want one more bite? One more bite. And then the rest goes in Mommy's salad, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Mommy puts the rest in the salad. Hey, Mama said one more bite. Thank you. Alright, Mama's gonna put the rest in the salad and then we'll eat dinner. Okay? Thank you. Thank you, Bubby. Say bye-bye.